So just a quick video today. I'm going to be doing the Lombex Wi-Fi smart bulbs. Nice, cheap as chips, smart bulb that you can integrate with Alexa and Google Home. So watch this video, find out about it and enjoy. Unboxing time. So one thing I like quite a lot is really nice packaging, and I've got to say this bulb, the packaging ain't great, but then it's a lot cheaper than other products, so I'll cut it some slack here. So let's get into it. Let's see the top of the bulb. Let's take it out. So it's a typical LED bulb. Looks a little bit bigger than the IKEA Tri bulb, but there's no labelling on the bulb itself at all. Let's see if there's anything else interesting in the box. Okay, so Lombex, and talks about how you join the Lombex community, and you can follow them on Facebook and Twitter to get updates and promotions. So there's that there, and then we've got instructions. So you download an app, you can either scan that barcode, you go into pairing mode, switch the bulb on and off 3 times by following these steps: on, off, on, off, on, off, on, until the light begins to flash quickly. Then you open the app, click on the button, add device, you add your bulb, then you're in pairing mode. How to work with Alexa. So requirements: your mobile device, fully configured Amazon Alexa system, Amazon Alexa app, fully configured Lombex Wi-Fi smart system.
School children can now cheat their way to the top of the class just by photographing questions with their
Alexa,
phones.
stop. Lombex app on your mobile, Lombex account that you've created. We recommend using location descriptions. So it looks like you just add Lombex on your as an Alexa skill, and you link to your Lombex account that you create, and then you can control it. As simple as that. So pretty standard smart bulb setup. So I'm going to be giving that a try and see what the bulb does. So this is a LifeX bulb, and I suppose this video is for people that's been considering a LifeX bulb or similar Wi-Fi smart bulb which is multicolour, which you don't require a hub for. A LifeX bulb is great for that, however they are quite expensive. So instead of one of these, which costs about £60 when it's not on sale, you might want to consider a Lombex Wi-Fi smart bulb. So it's multicolour, it's Wi-Fi, you can integrate it with Alexa and Google Home. Alexa, start. And the good thing is you can get these on Amazon for about £16 to £17, so it's a lot cheaper. But is it any good? Let's find out. Okay, let's try them out. Alexa, turn the utility light blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the utility light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the utility light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn utility light white. Alexa, dim utility light to 50%. So that's it, simple as that. Okay, so conclusion time. the Lombex smart Wi-Fi bulbs are really good actually for the money. They're not the kind of all singing, all dancing smart bulbs. They're not as good as LifeX, they're not as bright, for example. However, they do the job really well. For 16 quid, it's a no-brainer. If you want to try it out, I highly recommend it. It's easy to set up with Alexa and Google Home. So it gets the thumbs up. In fact, it gets more than thumbs up. It gets the Chuck Norris seal of approval. It's that good for the money. So give them a try, and if you do, comment below and let me know what you think. Cheers, bye. Okay, last thing for me to do on this video is to announce the winner of the Echo Buttons giveaway that I did on a video just 2 or 3 weeks ago. I've chose a winner at random, and that person, if I can pronounce the name right, and I apologise if it's wrong, is Paul Chiavelli. It's way wrong, I know, but get in touch. You've won the Echo Buttons, and as soon as you get in touch, I'll make sure they get sent over to you as soon as possible. Congratulations.